Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial video. So in this video, I'm sharing a secret AI tool where you can create free AI images for unlimited time without watermark using the nanobanana model that we use in Gemini AI. So also when you try to create an image in Gemini AI, as you can see, I have just given a simple prompt and this give you a watermark. So if you download this will give you a watermark, and also it will give you random aspect ratio. But if you use whisk AI, as you can see, there are lots of aspect ratio, like 3 aspect ratio. You can choose 1 by 1, 9 by 16, and 16 by 9, and you can create any images for free. So if I just use this dice option, this will give you random prompt, or you can just type your own prompt to create any images. So for example, if I just remove this and use this prompt for example and submit, this will start to create two images for me with the aspect ratio that I've chosen. So for example, why I'm telling you this is unlimited and free, because all the images that you're seeing right now on my screen are created this image right now in this day, and I didn't get any limitation. And in front of you, I just created two new images, just like these two new images, giving reference to upload these images, and it gave me these images. So if I just delete this image, and I can also create another image with just giving my own prompt. So if I go to the my library option and click on images, and you can see this is the November 10, 2025. As I'm uploading this video, we can see all the images are created today. You can see this is the proof that you can use this Google Whisk AI to create unlimited images for free. Right now, I'm using this for months and I didn't get any daily limitation. So you can see this is very useful and this is free, give you high quality images without watermark. So why I'm telling this with a watermark, if I just go to any image and try to download this, you can see there's a download option. Click on this download, open this image, you can see there are no watermarks. So this is the proof that I want to show you that this is totally free, unlimited, and this is a product by Google. So if you don't know how to use this, just go to Google, search for Whisk AI, and this will show you this labs.google FX. Click on this and you can see Whisk, launch Whisk. And for the first time, you need to sign up with your Gmail account, and after that signing up with your Gmail account, you can see there's enter tool option, and now you can create unlimited images for free. So there's a catch here. If you want to also edit your images, you can also edit your own images for free without watermark, just like the Gemini AI, but you will get watermark. So let me show you also that. If I go to upload image, and for example, I'm just going to upload a AI image here. You can also edit your own image. So this is the image that I'm uploading, and this is the image that I uploaded. And if I want to edit this image, you can see there's the option of three dot and pencil. Click on this, and here you can edit your images. So for example, if I just say, so for example, I just give it a simple prompt, change the person hoodie color to red. So this now going to be turning to red. Click submit, and it will start to create two images in the history chat, and maybe the hoodie color will be changed in the red here. And this images, sorry, I uploaded wrong image. This images is created by Gemini AI. That's why I have a watermark here. So let's see, it can edit the images, and as you can see, it edit the images, and it's right now it's using the red color of the hoodie, just like I told. So if you need to download this, just select the image, close it, and here you have a download option. You can download it, but it already have a watermark, so that's why it gave me watermark. But if I upload an image without watermark, that's my fault. So I'm going to upload another image without watermark. So I just upload another image, which is a city and an Akron, and this was also made in the Whisk AI. And this way you can edit your own images. Go to the edit option. So I'm just going to give a simple prompt here. So I just give a simple prompt to show you that it will not give any watermark when I edit photos. Make it black and white like a vintage photo and click submit. Then it will start to create two images in the history chat. As you can see, it give me two images according to the command that I gave. Just make it black and white like a vintage photo. Now you can select this image, and also you can edit further from here. If you want to make another change, just describe your edits and it will also edit the images in the history chat. But for example, if I choose this and close it and click on download, go to the download, open the image. Now as you can see, there are no watermarks, and this is right now using the nanobanana model, just like we use in Gemini AI. Just upload your own image and edit it, but you get a star like Gemini AI logo watermark. But in whisk AI, you will not get any watermark, and also this is unlimited and free. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.